Namaskar and a very good day to all of you in this live interactive session of ours where we always join with you, we discuss Ayurveda, but today we are over here to discuss something which is really very important. US President Donald Trump telling that Tylenol, which is also known as paracetamol, acetaminophen, paracetamol, crocin, there are various names for the same product. It has been linked to the development of autism. Now, it has been said that when this product is taken during pregnancy, that gives a greater chance of neurodevelopmental problems in the child. So, finally, leave aside what is being said in the research because it's still in the very primary stages. We cannot be sure about that. I'll be coming to that research later on. But what is very important for all of us with President Donald Trump saying this is that see how serious a condition, how widespread a condition autism is currently becoming around the world. So much so that President Donald Trump had to address that situation. Now, such is the importance of and such is the instance of spread of autism, the way in which it is spreading in all the developed countries and now the developing countries too. It is really very tough to later on contain this disease in case we do not follow the right kind of procedures. Another very important development which took uh, along with this development is that FDA has shared certain details, a case study where they have claimed that by the usage of a particular medicine, the autism was reversed in a particular case. It was a study for a patient of Norway, and some of you have been questioning us that does it really work? Now, my important answer to everyone who is after that study from Norway of a single case, that a single case after using a particular allopathic supplement was able to come out of autism. Now, the first important thing to realize from there is that now finally, after all these years of disagreeing with what I've been saying since past 24 years, that autism is a temporary phase in the life of a child if treated timely. Now, that is something which I've always been saying. That is something which I've all been guiding everyone कि autism एक temporary अवस्था है, एक permanent रोग नहीं है. Finally, we have FDA saying that, and although it is not said for Ayurveda, it is not said for what I have been guiding, but at least they have one case where they saw that autism was reversed and finally they accepted it. So I would like to document to anyone from FDA who is aware of our channel. We have thousands of such cases. We have thousands of such case studies well documented with each and every detail. So now that finally you believe that a child can come out of autism, why take a single case study? Why not thousands of case studies which we do maintain over here, where with the help of the usage of Ayurveda and psychotherapy in the correct proportion, in according to the research which I did in my PhD. So when it is done in that way, a child can come out of autism. So at least finally we have FDA accepting that, we have FDA saying that autism is reversible. A fine day, I really pray to God the Almighty that they start believing in Ayurveda also, they take it seriously. They start believing in our work also. At least they take that research data which we have pretty seriously, so that so many innocent children who are tagged as being autistic, there are so many trials which are done on them, and finally many of them, despite having the entire capability of developing into a normal child, they are just left into the hands of those doing psychotherapies, those running the psychotherapy centers, or a psychiatrist or a pediatrician or a neurologist. But the worst part is that none of these themselves believe that a child can come out of autism.
Call now to connect with world's senior most Ayurvedic healer, Dr. Navdeep Sharma, and gift your child